My husband is the great Manzoni, the greatest magician in all Italy. Ah, he also eat like the horse. He like to keep me here slaving over the hot stove all day. But tonight, I do the tricks. I give him this bird's eye lasagna. Delicious pasta, best minced beef, tomato, herbs, and a smooth cheese sauce. He won't tell the difference from homemade. Hey, you're the magician. Make that disappear.
This is magnificent. You make it yourself?
What do you think? I pull it out of a top hat or something?
Bird's Eye's new trattoria range. They can make a dishonest woman of you. This is a very small commercial for a very small pea. Surprise, small garden peas.
For terrific holiday ideas, don't miss this great show at Olympia.
La 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 la.
Banjo, banjo, the one for me and you. Light and crispy wafer,
plus roast nut flavored too.
Light crisp wafer, smooth nutty filling, plus chopped roast nuts in a chocolate flavored coating.
delicious.
Light crisp wafer plus roast nut flavor. That's Banjo.
The blondes who had more fun with Rod Stewart. For 4 years, Tony Toon was his Mr. Fix-It. Now, in tomorrow's Daily Mirror, he tells the intimate secrets of Rod Stewart's amazing love tangles. Marcia, a revealing interview with the woman they called the Duchess of Downing Street.
How to play with your baby, a great parent's guide.
Save with Mirror cost cutter tokens at W.H. Smith.
There's money off pens.
Typewriter.
Watch.
Calculator.
Camera.
Books.
Toys plus albums and cassettes.
All in this week's unbeatable Daily Mirror.
Get it tomorrow.